today we're diving into some mind-blowing stats about online shopping. Grab a snack and let's get started. First up, did you know there are over 227 million online shoppers in the US right now? That's like almost everyone. And guess what? This number is only going up. By next year, we might see more than 230 million digital shoppers. Crazy, right? Here's something cool. In the last few months of last year, about 11 out of every 100 sales happened online. That's a big jump from just 2 years ago. Looks like more and more people are clicking buy instead of heading to the mall. Speaking of clicking buy, get this. 3 out of 4 Americans have bought something online, and some folks are really into it. About 1 in 6 people shop online every week. There are even some super shoppers who do it every single day. But hold on, don't count out regular stores just yet. More than half of online shoppers still like going to physical stores. Why? Well, sometimes you just want to try on those shoes or test that lipstick color, you know? Now, let's talk gadgets. Most people, about 54%, shop online using their computers. But phones aren't far behind at 45%. And get this, some people are even shopping by talking to Alexa. It's not many yet, but who knows what the future holds? Last but not least, let's go global. China is the big boss of online shopping, with a market worth $672 billion. The US is in second place at $340 billion. That's still a lot of online shopping carts. And there you have it, folks. 6 amazing facts about online shopping. Next time you're browsing your favorite online store, remember, you're part of a huge growing trend. Happy shopping, everyone!